Hi relaxers, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a special treat for you. We are gonna have potato wedges in the air fryer and steak, New York strip steak. So I already cut the potatoes and the wedges. I have them soaking in water for 20 minutes before I start seasoning. Now you can leave them in there longer if you need to. You can leave them overnight. It's just, you're helping it cook faster and helping with the starch that's on the potatoes. All right, so we have our New York strip steak right here. We're going to come over to the stove, and we're gonna start cooking our steak. All right, we are back here at the stove. We got some oil going on our cast iron. We got some butter going, so for our butter sauce that we're gonna put on top of the New York strip. So far on that, I have salt and pepper. I'm going to be adding some thyme to it and some rosemary. And then for the oil, it is avocado oil. We have to make sure this is good and hot before we put the steak on it. So guys, it has been 20 minutes for our potatoes in the water. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to take out the potatoes out of the water, use our paper towel, pat, dry, and we're gonna use our man Larry seasoning. We're gonna season it up. We're gonna put it in our Ninja Foodie air fryer for 450 for 30 minutes. So what we're gonna do is we're going to begin, take out your potatoes, dump out the water. You can use this bucket again. Pat down. Okay. Grab our olive oil. No, not our olive oil, sorry. Avocado oil. You can use olive oil too. Then you're gonna sprinkle some Larry's on here. Toss. Okay. Next, you're gonna put this on your tray or your basket, whatever it is that you have. Now, if you want to, you don't have to, but you can add a little bit more Larry's on there. All right, now we're gonna put this in the Ninja Foodie for 425 or 450 for 30 minutes. All right, relaxers, we're back. We cut our steak because we wanted to see the temp because our thermometer wasn't working too well. So, show you what it looks like inside. All right, so now we're gonna let it rest. And once it's rest, I'll show you the potatoes and the steak. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe today. Bye for now.